So I wanted to remind you, right? This can be said in many forms, right? But I grew up in Christianity and around Christianity. So I know this form. I don't know the Quran form. I don't know the other forms. But what I'm trying to say to you is, seek ye first the kingdom of God, and the rest will come unto thee. I might not have quoted it perfectly, but basically, find the spiritual stuff and the rest will come on its own. Realize that heaven is in your heart. What does it mean? It means that once you win inside, outside forms around you. Yeah? I'm pointing this out because the promised land is reached before the promised land is reached. The championship is won before the championship is won. And it is won in training. If you knew that all I did was drink purified water and practice and train, and I didn't mess up a single thing, every single moment up until this event has been perfect, you've won. And then the championship will come, but you already know that you've won. You'll walk out with a confidence in which it's obvious to you, and everyone can see that no, this person has already won. And this is the idea. The reason I'm pointing this out to you is, once you're in the promised land, don't move, right? The promised land is one of discipline. Should you find yourself in a place where you are being disciplined, don't move. When you've been disciplined, what will happen is you'll make more money, you'll get more opportunities, but also you'll get tempted at the point. So realize that where you're trying to go is somewhere inside you, firstly. And secondly, realize that when you get there, you shouldn't move. And that is going to be your urge, and the world will start trying to get you to move. The amount of temptation that comes to Jeff Bezos it's much more than what comes to you. But I'll tell you what, his diet is better than yours, whether or not he has $1 billion, yeah? This man with $1 will eat a cabbage where you will go and buy an energy drink. There is a difference. The promised land is reached within your heart. Heaven is in my heart, as the hymn goes.